Today I'll teach you how you guys can check contacts on Twitter. First, you want to enable contact. Click on your profile picture at the top left of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy option at the bottom. From here, scroll a bit down and click on privacy and safety. Over here, you want to scroll a bit down and click on discoverability and contacts. Make sure sync address book contacts is turned on. So just turn it on, click on allow, and your contacts will be synced with Twitter. Once that is done, what you can do is click on your profile picture at the top right again, click on where it says following, click on the person with the plus icon at the top right of your screen, and it's going to show you all the people from your contacts suggested under you. It's not just going to show you your contacts people, it's going to show you other people as well, but it's basically going to sync your contact and show it to you. So that's basically how we guys can sync contact and check people. And you can also just click on the search icon at the bottom and click on search and enter the person's mobile number, and if they have created a Twitter account using that number, their account will show up. That's how we guys can do it. If you find our video helpful, subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.